Hello, everyone. So, as 2025 is about to wind up, and I hope you guys had a wonderful 2025 and enjoyed your year to date returns. Wishing you all a successful investment journey. So, for 2026, I asked ChatGPT for the top 5 stocks to buy in 2026. In this video, I'm going to talk about the reasons, catalysts, and analyst assessments for these 5 stocks picked by ChatGPT and whether I agree with the assessment. Guys, take a second to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue growing together. Stock 1 is NVIDIA. This is probably not a surprise. ChatGPT mentions that NVIDIA dominates AI and GPU markets, projected 60% revenue growth in fiscal year 2026 as AI infrastructure spending accelerates. A catalyst that is worth mentioning is continued hyperscale data center buildouts. Analysts think it is a strong buy with a price target of $270, and that represents over 50% gain. For my personal investment journey, I am not going to buy NVIDIA at this price of $180, as I am skeptical of the AI momentum if it would continue beyond 2026. Stock 2 is Broadcom. ChatGPT says Broadcom is key supplier for AI networking chips and custom silicon, benefits from 400 plus billion AI infrastructure boom. Expectation is 29% revenue growth in fiscal year 2026, which is massive for a company of this size. Current price is close to $380, and analyst price target is also $380, which indicates no upside. If they are able to make any announcements of like new contracts or breakthroughs, this company has the momentum to go to new highs. For my personal investment journey, I am not a buyer. I did a valuation of Broadcom in the past, so you can check it out if you are interested. And I listed out the price targets for Broadcom. Stock 3 is Palantir. ChatGPT says Palantir is big data and AI analytics leader, strong government and commercial contracts. It is forecasting 47% revenue growth in 2026, expanding US commercial segment by 121%. Analyst price target is $231, indicating a good upside from the current price of $162. Now, personally, I do not see Palantir's extremely high overvaluation is sustainable, and one bad quarter will bring the stock back to below $100 where it belongs. So I am not a buyer of Palantir. Stock 4 is Eli Lilly. ChatGPT mentions Eli Lilly is riding GLP-1's weight loss drug wave with Mounjaro and Zepbound. Strong pipeline in diabetes and obesity treatments. It is projecting almost 16% growth in 2026. Analyst price target is $1,100. We did a video saying Eli Lilly was in our buy zone in the 600, but not anymore. Stock 5 is Microsoft. ChatGPT says Microsoft is expanding AI capabilities across Azure and enterprise software, positioned for 400 billion AI infrastructure spend. Catalysts are cloud dominance and AI monetization. It is also featured in Morgan Stanley's vintage values for 2026, list for superior risk-adjusted returns. I am a buyer of Microsoft in the 400s. Please check the Microsoft valuation video we did a few weeks ago. So overall, ChatGPT picked the latest trends and provided a list of 5 stocks in the chip sector, software, data analytics, and healthcare. In my opinion, these could be good trades, but not good long or short-term investment. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.